Dear brothers and sisters, dear friends and partners. The Association of African Students in India, Pune Chapter is pleased to invite you to celebrate African Liberation Day with us, which will be held on May 25, 2025. This event is much more than just a commemoration. It is a day of remembrance, unity, culture and above all hope. A unique opportunity to bring hearts and minds together around our shared history, our struggles, but also our future that we want to build together here in Pune. Your presence on that day will count enormously. She will be a real moral support for our community and a valuable encouragement for us, young African students, who are working to build a strong, dynamic and united Association of African Students in India, Pune Chapter. Come in large numbers, come with your family, come celebrate Africa with us. Together, let's make this day an unforgettable moment.